Yay!
Hi, I'm Peanut. Today we will discuss about what you can see in a hospital. Part 2. Hygiene products, which consist of alcohol sanitizer, masks, gloves, and soap. This is the IV stand. IV stand. Next up are oxygen tanks and oxygen masks. Oxygen tank, oxygen mask. This is an inhaler and a nebulizer. Inhaler, nebulizer. Next is ice pack and hot water bag. Ice pack, hot water bag. This is a weight machine. Weight machine. These are crutches. Crutches. Next we have the blood sugar meter, heart monitor, and blood pressure monitor. Blood sugar meter, heart monitor, and blood pressure monitor. These are external defibrillators. External defibrillator. This is an example of an ultrasound machine. Ultrasound machine. This is the MRI machine. MRI machine. Next is the X-ray machine. X-ray machine. This one here is the ECG machine. ECG machine. In the lab of a hospital, you might also find a microscope. Microscope. And with that, it also brings us to the end of this lesson. For more fun videos, be sure to check out the other videos on our channel. See you again in the next video. Bye bye for now. And if you like our videos, be sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel, Peach Peanut Poppy.